What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Ride the Six Motorcycle channel. I feel like doing a video because I haven't done any videos on the FZ6R slash R6 front end conversion here in a little while, and I do want to give you guys an update. There is some major action happening, especially today. So I do want to show you what I've been working on. So this is the R6 triple tree. This is the FZ6R key ignition in the tree. I've removed it from my top tree and I've installed it in the R6 tree. There are a couple issues because, as you know, the mounting location of the R6 ignition is not the same as the FZ6R. So there are a couple issues. This does hit the frame of the bike. I need to find a way around it. I do have some ideas, but if you guys have some ideas on how to, fix the ignition hitting the bike, by all means let me know. Anyways, let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so I'm not exactly sure what's causing this issue. I believe I have an idea. So keep in mind, our steering stem is about 10 millimeters shorter from the R6 stem to what the original FZ6R stem was. Now, again, this is my FZ6R ignition in the R6 tree. If I go to set this on the bike, basically what happens is the key ignition is hitting the frame down here where this little lip is, and yeah, I guess one possible thing you could do is probably grind it off or whatever, but it is part of where it's welded onto the frame. So this is the first little hiccup we've had in fitting the equipment, and you can see, like, I can't actually push the R6 tree down. I probably could, but it's going to end up catching something and jam something, and then it probably won't get it back off. So clearly we don't have enough room here right now with this ignition in. So if you have any ideas other than like a keyless entry system on the bike, which is something that I am considering, I may get rid of this altogether and just do like an RFID tag on the bike that it has to be with you, and then the bike will start up. So that's one option. If you guys have any other options or any other ideas, let me know in the comment box below. Alright guys, so big news on the R6 parts front. I've been searching around for a little while to see if I could fix my old forks that were damaged, or just completely buy another set of forks that are relatively good condition. And I've been looking through eBay, and I did come across these guys on eBay, Northeast Cycle Outlet. They are based out of Pennsylvania from what I understand, and they have some top-notch stuff, guys. So I'll quickly show you the website a little bit. So once you find them on eBay here, their username is NE Cycle Outlet 16 on eBay. So look those guys up. Once you come to their store, you're going to see on the left you got Kawasaki, Suzuki, Yamaha, Triumph, BMW. So we're going to click on Yamaha here just as an example. And we have R6, R1, MT09, R3, MT07. Obviously we're going to click on R6 because we're doing a conversion. And so the first thing I need is a set of forks that are in good shape. So they have 3 R6s from what I understand that they're parting out. And they have 3 sets of the 2008 to 2016 R6 forks. I believe these are actually off an R8 motorcycle, which is fine. It doesn't matter. The R6 forks have not changed a lot through the years. So, so if you look at, like, this is one example. So these guys, it looks like they really take their time, guys. They clean up their components. For a used set of motorcycle forks, I have not seen anything ever this spotless. So this one has a little nick on the bottom, little rusted screw, no big deal. Needs some new dust seals, fork seals probably. But I mean, look at the rest of the components, guys. They are spotless, absolutely immaculate. A couple little dings there. But overall, the tubes themselves, they're straight, as according to their thing, they're straight, good condition. And their prices are about $359 US for a set of used forks. To me, I think it's a very reasonable price. I've looked at other stuff out there online, and there's people selling, I would say, less quality or maybe the equivalent for roughly around the same price. So I don't think their prices are out to lunch. I think $350 for a set of R6 forks that might just need fork seals is an absolute smashing deal. So I did go ahead today and purchase a set of the gold 2008 R6 forks for the Yamaha FZ6R. Yes, initially I was going to go with a black set and use the calipers I have that have like a silver trim piece to it. From what I understand, the calipers will still bolt up to these forks. It's not a big deal. But I did switch my mind and go with the gold forks. It's just the best thing I found out there right now, guys. I can't find a set of black forks really that are in, good shape. So that's one purchase I did with them. There is another thing that I do need on the front end of the FZ6R as well, and it is the front brake cylinder master, which I never received when I bought my front end. And I believe, let me see here, I think they have it on their website as well. So I did purchase, yeah, so here you go. Here's an example. So front brake master cylinder. So I did purchase a 2008 front brake master cylinder as well, along with an ASV gold lever. So that's on the way here. And on top of that, I purchased the gold lever as well for the clutch side of the bike. So essentially we have a set of gold forks coming in, we have a set of gold levers coming in from ASV, and we have the front brake master cylinder coming in for the FZ6R. So that's the big news, guys. It's a big drop in money. It's about $600 Canadian, or a little bit more, $600 Canadian on parts. I don't like to spend money, but it has to be done because I can't find anything local for this bike. So that's the news on the components. That's the news on the parts, and they should be here real soon. But anyways, guys, if you're looking for parts for bikes, check these guys out. Northeast Cycle Outlet LLC on eBay. Username NE Cycle Outlet 16. It looks like they got some really good stuff, guys. They were really easy to deal with, easy to work with. They sent the invoice right over to my PayPal. Bang, done. So that's the way I like to roll. That's the way they like to roll. But check them out, guys. They got some top-notch gear here. Alright, so there you go. There you have it. There's the update on the FZ6R R6 front end conversion. As you can see, guys, it's not a cheap option to do. You're going to spend some money on forks. You're going to spend some money on triple trees and other stuff that you're going to need to get this done. Also keep in mind, I'm actually in the process of switching jobs. That's why I haven't done a lot of videos lately. There's just a lot of stuff going on in my life, but guaranteed this R6 conversion is going to get finished, and it is going to get documented so that all you guys, if you're looking to do it, you can do it. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully really soon we're going to be opening up that box coming in, and we're going to have the forks, we're going to have the levers, we're going to have the front brake reservoir, we're going to have everything to start putting this bike really together for the first time. See you on the next one.